Okay, so from 5th March to 25th March, almost in 20 to 21 days, that is 3 weeks, Nifty went up by more than 8%. So, is this the beginning of a new rally? Did the uptrend start? Let's find out in this video, where I'm going to do the price action analysis of Nifty, and we are going to see where Nifty stands right now. I mean, technically. And according to that, we can plan our investment in the index itself or in the individual stocks, because the sectors will also depend on the fact that the direction of Nifty is either in uptrend or in downtrend or sideways. Okay, so Nifty direction is very crucial for the movement of any stock and sector as well, right? So let's get started, but please remember that this is not a stock recommendation or any recommendation type of video. This is just an educational video to make you informed decisions. Thank you. So let's start. Alright, so this is Nifty in daily time frame, and you can see this rally that I was talking about. If I measure from this 4th to 5th March, it went up by almost 8.2% in 2021 days, right? So now what we are going to do is we are going to draw trend lines, support resistance levels to technically pinpoint the accuracy of technically pinpoint the levels which are crucial to us. So first of all, I can see that this level, that from this level, that is around 23,700, Nifty faced some resistance. And if we look back in Nifty's history, we can see it is not the first time that Nifty has actually faced resistance here. How is that? So we are going to draw one line. I have drawn this blue line, and we can see that Nifty faced resistance here 23,700, and we can see it happened before also in the month of February here, right? So second time it is facing resistance here. Now if I scroll back little bit, I can see that this level has acted as support resistance even more than 2 times. You can see Nifty took support here once, but it failed. You can see, let me just highlight. You can see it was trying to take support, it went up here, but again it failed, and then again it faced resistance here, it came down. Okay, then again once here and here as well. So this is clearly telling that this level 23,700 to 800, you can round up to any number, okay, is actually a strong resistance level. So after that, Nifty has continuously fallen. You can see this is minus 0.77%, then again one minus 0.31%, then a big fall yesterday, minus 1.5%. Today also it is looking weak, although positive, but it's weak. Okay, so this is clearly telling that this resistance is actually a major one. Okay, now what are the possible scenarios that could happen in coming days? So what we can do is we can use the Fibonacci retracement tool to measure some crucial levels from this low point to the high point. Okay, so let me just show you. I have used this as the high, this as the low, and we can see the 50% level is around this 22,900. So rounded up to 23k almost. Okay, so I'm rounding up because obviously no level is actually fixed, like Nifty will directly touch here then bounce. It does not happen. It might go through that level little bit, then again go up. So that is the practical scenario. So that's why rounding up is actually a better choice in my opinion, right? So currently Nifty is trading at 23,280. So what could happen in coming days is that Nifty definitely will hit this level 23,000, 23,900, but we have to see if it is going up from this level or coming way down to 22,700 level, 22.7. So if it comes here, then definitely it will spend some more time in 50% level, that is 22,900, and then start going upward. Okay, so that is a possible scenarios. But another scenario is that it could come down all the way to this level 21,900. So that could also happen, and then it could form a W pattern here, because you see this will be a W pattern. If that happens, it will form a W pattern. Then it might go from here, but again after that it could again form triple bottom pattern. So many things can happen. Okay, and we just have to just see what is happening right now and then decide the next course of action. We cannot directly accurately predict from this point that what will happen in next 3 months. We do not know. No one knows. Even if anyone tells you that they can predict the market, they're telling a lie. No one can predict. We just have to watch the price action and take steps accordingly. Okay, so for now what I would like you to do is that remember this level 23,800 is a major level that Nifty needs to break to start an uptrend. Okay, maybe medium term, maybe a long term, but it needs to break this level to start an uptrend. For now we just have to see where the bottom is. We cannot guess it, we just have to observe, and then we'll see. Nifty will prove itself that this is the bottom. From here I'm going to start going up. Okay, we just have to watch. So for now the best course of action will be to track Nifty. Do not make any index type of investment if you have not done an SIP. If you are in SIP, it's fine, no problem, but if you are looking for a lump sum investment, then please wait. Let Nifty prove that this is the bottom. From here on, from this point onwards, I will give a U-turn and go up. After you get the evidence, then only make entry. Don't make entry early. Okay, so that is all about Nifty. I hope this price action analysis was useful and informative, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, and if you find my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts and you will be able to watch members only video, which I have posted one video today, okay, talking about that. So you can watch that, and along with that you can chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord and ask your queries if you are a premium member. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.